Introduction to Cybersecurity. Hello, security enthusiasts. Welcome to H2 Kinfosys. Today, we're kicking off our cybersecurity training series with an introduction to cybersecurity. By the end of this video, you'll understand what cybersecurity is, why it's important, and the basics of protecting information. Let's get started. What is cybersecurity? Cybersecurity involves protecting computer systems, networks, and data from theft, damage, and unauthorized access. It's crucial for safeguarding sensitive information and ensuring the integrity, confidentiality, and availability of data. The importance of cybersecurity. In today's digital age, cybersecurity is more important than ever. With the increasing number of cyber threats and attacks, it's vital to protect personal and organizational information from malicious actors. Basic concepts. Some fundamental concepts in cybersecurity include 1. Confidentiality, ensuring that information is not accessed by unauthorized individuals. 2. Integrity, ensuring that data is accurate and has not been tampered with. 3. Availability, ensuring that information is accessible to authorized users when needed. Understanding these basic concepts is the first step towards becoming proficient in cybersecurity. In the next video, we'll dive into common cyber threats. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated. See you in the next video. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more free tech content. Stay secure. Leave your questions and comments below.